Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to go from this to the end of the video. I'm not going to insert a clip because I don't have the editing skills and I'm just too lazy. I haven't taken a shower in I don't even know how long. It's been a while. So here's the OOTD. It's this hoodie that I stole from my friend, which I should give back, and these pants, which I've been wearing for 4 days. This is what happens when you're homeschooled. I'm FaceTiming Delina. She's my bestie. She's already ready, but I'm not. So it's so fake of her to be ready without me. I'm gonna get in the bath. Just to show you the extent of how ugly my hair is. Like, it's bad. But basically, I took a shower and I'm like, I'll chill now. My hair is still disgusting, but I'm actually gonna go somewhere today. So I was like, I gotta record this video. I told you guys to ask me questions so that I'm not like just talking the whole time, like every single other get ready with me. This isn't really a get ready with me. It's like, I'm gonna call it from mess to bless, which I'm not gonna include a photo anyway. First step, I'm like actually gonna teach you guys how to like go from. First step, if you have thinner hair, you can go ahead and brush it out. Make sure there's no tangles. But if you have curly hair, go through it with your fingers or something so you don't make it frizzy. Ow! So I just uploaded a thrift store haul, and basically I said I was gonna sell some of the clothes, and I'm going to sell some of the clothes on this app called Poshmark. I'm sure you guys have heard of it before. Basically, you can just sell your clothes on it. It's an app, and you can also buy clothes on it. So I'm going to be selling some of the clothes on Poshmark, and I have a bunch of other clothes that I'm going to be selling on Poshmark. I'll show them in the end of the video, so stay tuned if you want to see what I'm going to be selling on Poshmark, because it's a really cool app. You can make so much money from it, and you can also get like really cool vintage stuff or like new stuff for like just a cheaper price because someone else is selling it. But they have really nice stuff on there too. Shout out to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. Now I can go shopping because that's what I'm about to do. I leave for Denver tomorrow. For primer, I'm gonna use the Professional primer. This is a mini one. This is the Pearl primer. I think it gets rid of oil. I'm also gonna spray my face with the Smashbox Low to Finish Primer Water. This is just a mini one that I got in a thing. I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I love this for eyebrows. We're trying to glow up, so we need to make it look like we have actual eyebrows. So the first question comes from Annika Osterlund. I've never heard of her before. She asked, how much do you love me? And since I don't know who you are, I cannot answer that question. So the next one's, just kidding, Ani Chani, I love you. Delina asks, how do you plan to improve yourself in your life? Well, I don't know how I'm supposed to improve myself when I'm already the best I can be. Basically, I already got out of school, so that was improving my life, and now I'm happier, and I plan to travel more to keep myself happy and like notice y'all more, because that makes y'all happy and that makes me happy. So are you gonna do another makeup collection? Maybe when I get more makeup. I haven't really gotten makeup in a while. I don't think my collection has like gotten that much bigger. I mean, it probably has. I need to rewatch the old video. But have you ever felt uncomfortable / confused when people made edits of you? No, because I used to make edits of Ariana, so I knew what it was like to be a fangirl. I've always known what it's like to be a fangirl, so I get it and I understand it. But nobody at school, my ex school, none of them understand it. They're like, what the heck, that's so weird. But I get it completely, and I love them. Why is my voice croaky? Y'all hear that? Other than YouTube, what's your dream job? Being a vet probably be my dream job, or an interior designer, because I love designing. I'm an artiste. Turning point in my life, getting out of public school, I would say, was a turning point, and like getting bigger on YouTube. Those are 2 turning points in my life. That's a good question, Delina. I love you for that. I love Delina. Delina's my bestie. Would you rather be homeschooled or go back to your old school? When did you find yourself most happy? Probably when I was meeting Ariana Grande. That's the happiest I've ever been, was when I meet Ariana. That's why I got 2 meet and greets, because I was like, I'm really sad. I need to be double happy. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this sponge because I'm too lazy to go get a good sponge. And when was the last time I used Mario Badescu? Okay, just beauty guru things. Just beauty guru things. That makes me want to chug a whole thing of wetness of water. Best thing that could possibly happen to you? I don't even know. Like, it's like I'm sad, but what am I even sad for? What do I even want? Wait, that was deep. So to make yourself look not red and dusty, you use foundation. Now I'm using this L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Foundation Pro Matte in 101. That's what I'm using today. The best thing that could possibly happen to me would probably be like being forever successful, so that I know I'm not gonna be lonely, or finding a soulmate, whether that be a bestie or like someone else. But yeah, that'd probably be the best thing that could happen to me. Should they stream Thank You Next or Breathe In? I don't know how to feel about this question. I feel like Thank You Next because it has so much like impact, but then Breathe In is like has so much meaning. And Breathe In is a bop, like not NGL. Not gonna lie, Breathe In is a bop, but Thank You Next is a bop too. So like I don't really know. So I can't decide. I can't choose. What kind of cult would I like to start? I would like to start a happiness cult to where you're forced to basically make an Instagram account and compliment people all day. That's all you can do. Like, and then you get fed really good food, and you have to kidnap people. And basically, when you kidnap them, you have to make sure they're not like busy or anything. But when you kidnap them, you bring them into this place. They can't know where it is. And basically, you just like give them love and give them gifts, feed them really good food, show them how they're loved, therapy, like give them therapy. And I would train my people to like learn how to kidnap these people and teach them like therapy. Because like basically you have to stalk people and see like if they need this help, and then if they need the help, we kidnap them, therapize them, like put them in therapy, and then for like a day or a couple days, and then yeah, and so they're like better and their life is going better, you know what I mean? That's what my quote would be like. Tell me why I don't have any concealer. I'm going to use a Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. How long have you been supporting Ari? Since like 2013. I was a stan since 2013 or like 2012. Like I stanned Ari before Problem came on the radio. Like, so I like her first hitters. No, The Way. I knew Ari before The Way came on the radio. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. Explain how you feel with makeup on and without makeup on. So it really depends. Sometimes without makeup I feel like cute, and sometimes without it I feel like, oh, don't take pics of me, like I look oily. But then like it's not that big of a deal, like it's fine. But with makeup, sometimes I feel ugly and sometimes I feel really pretty, because sometimes I do my makeup bad and sometimes I do it good. So it really just depends what my confidence mood is, how my day is going. Depending how my day is going depends how I feel about myself. So it doesn't even matter if I'm wearing makeup or not. It's just like I could have the prettiest makeup and be in the worst mood and feel like I'm ugly. How do you know if people are good for you or not? Do a pros and cons list. What do they do to you to make you happy? And what do they do to you that makes you mad, or like that gets on your nerves, or like that really bothers you? And think, if they weren't in your life, like would you be happier? If that's yes, then drop them. So I'm gonna use a CoverGirl powder because I'm too lazy to get my Laura Mercier one out. But basically, next what you do to make your makeup stay is you bake. And baking is like a necessity in my routine. Why is that making my face darker? But okay. I'm gonna use a little bit of pomade. I'm gonna use Medium Brown by Anastasia. I have to go shopping because I have to get stuff for Denver because I don't have any warm clothes, because in Texas it doesn't get cold, but literally it's like 30 degrees outside right now and I'm tripping because it doesn't get cold here and it's so cold, but I low-key love it because I love the cold. That's why I want to go to Denver so bad. These are the most uneven brows I've ever done in my whole entire life. I'm laughing so hard. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. Chief called. He said this ain't it. So next you want to be bronzed. I'm gonna go in with this Hotel Heiress from Tarte. It's really, really pigmented, so you gotta go really light and build it up. So next I'm gonna go in with a butter bronzer, and I can go in with this more and make myself more bronzed, but like lighter. I don't know, just like make everything melt together. Sorry I didn't contour. I'm not in the mood to get my contour kit out. But now I need to do the nose. I just use a little fluffy eyeshadow brush and I do the bottom. Like snatching a nose is different for everyone, but I find this works for most people. So you go under it right here, and then you go down the sides, and then you go on the sides of the nostrils and like cut it, and then you get a lot and go right here. And then you get a little bit of your powder. You go into a little brush like this, put a little powder on the tip of your nose, make a line, sides of nostrils, and there you go. That's your nose. I've been doing that for like 3 months now. What are you planning on doing for your birthday? I'm planning on having a birthday meetup the day before my birthday. So for my birthday meetup, I'm thinking of having snacks, cake, hot chocolate, blankets, like dress in pajamas. We'll like dress cute, but then I'll have like bags you can put your pajamas in, and we could like line up the numbers. I don't know, like it's gonna be a fun time. If I'm gonna do it, it would be in Houston, so watch out. Now I'm gonna do, man, I have to do lashes. That hurt. We're gonna do highlighter because we're gonna try to postpone the lashes. Highlighter, this is the Milani 01. And I hate this Morphe brush. I don't like this Morphe brush. Like, I love Morphe brushes, but this one ain't it. So I guess since like we're doing from Mess to Bless, we have to do eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use a Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go in with like a little fluffy MB23, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Pop that in the crease. If you had a week to live, what would you do? I would fly to New York, and then I would fly to California, and I would take all my loved ones with me, and then I would record a bunch of YouTube videos, but not edit them, and then schedule them to upload for days so you guys could still have me for a little bit. And then I would write letters to everyone I love. That's sad, bro. Okay, that's all the eyeshadow I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do blush now. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild blush. I don't know what shade it, Pearlescent Pink. This one is pretty pigmented, so I'm just gonna go ham on the brush. Do y'all wanna hear a song? This is basically Rachel's playlist video mixed together with my video, and I'm sorry for that, but Rachel has the best music taste, so. Okay, so that was the best song ever. Now I'm gonna just put on some random lashes. Literally any lashes are pretty lashes. These are called Worth It by Muse though. I think it's Worth It. I think that's what these are called. But they're from Muse. So I'm just gonna put these on. Then I'm gonna put on a little bit of the Perversion mascara at Urban Decay. My new Perversion fell out of my pocket. Now I'm gonna do lips, and my go-to lip is the Ofra Aries lip. It is the best. It matches with like everything, and I love it, and the Ofra formula is amazing. So favorite setting spray is a Scandinavia makeup finishing spray. Oh, sissies. Now it's like hair and outfit time. Oh. I look cute. She said very. Also, I'm gonna show some things that I'm selling on Poshmark. So first, I'm gonna be selling these jeans from Forever 21. They have like a split down them. What do you call it? There's like a split right here. And they don't fit me anymore, so I'm gonna be selling them. I'm gonna be selling just this little black tank top because I don't know, I don't really like how it fits on me, but it's just a little black tank top. I'm gonna be selling these pants I got a while ago, but they have like stripes on them, and then they're like kind of bell-bottom-ish. And I used to wear these like all the time, but they don't really fit me that well anymore, so I'm gonna be selling those. And I'm also going to be selling this shirt. It's just like a little, I don't know, tube top-y thing. Not tube top. Just a little shirt. It has ruffles right here. And then I'm going to sell a bunch of other stuff. Those are some of the clothes I'm selling. So this shirt is from Forever 21. I'm going to be wearing it today. She's literally writing an email. You see that? Oh, baby, hi. I love that. She's such a writer. So this is the fit. And then I'm gonna be wearing these Vans, and they're like orange and blue. Insta models do this. Cute. Time to take my pills. Agua by Victoria's Secret is a yes, but I like to mix it with Warm and Cozy by Pink. Last thing I need to do is my bangs. I'm just gonna straighten them, and I'm not gonna comb my hair because I don't have time. So that's what I look like, and that is how you go from mess to bless. Again, don't forget to download Poshmark. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe down below. Follow all my socials, they'll be in the description down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.